Continue looking at the matching tab. So this is a dinner bell where we have sold 53 entries, and typically we have got some stationary tables. So I've added some stationary tables. We've got two teams that want a stationary but have yet to be assigned. So let's see how this works. When we're in the bracketing screen, all stationary tables that have been assigned are shown in dark blue or in blue, royal blue. And when I hover, which means when I put the mouse over the field, it'll show what the stationary table is. Now I've got two in lowercase and shown in an orange color. That means that those are stationaries which have not been set. So if I'm bracketing, I don't care what whether the stationaries have been assigned or not. So I can be quite happily bracketing and not worry about the fact that I have stationaries. When I get to the matching screen and then the tabling screen, I don't want to see any stationaries when we start to get in, any unassigned stationaries. So the orange and the lowercase is an indication that we're going to have players that want stationaries. So I'm going to go back and assign, I think that's a valid, assign these stationaries. So I'm editing the team, assign them both stationaries, assign one that's not already been used. Now when I go back into the bracketing screen, it shows all the stationaries assigned, and when I go to the matching screen, similarly it's showing all the, I have to redo the brackets when I change something, so I'm going to go with 16, 16, 9, and 12. In the matching screen, what it does is it shows the stationaries, and if I hover over, it'll display the stationary table. What is supposed to happen at this point is what is assigned randomly is who plays who. There may be some situations, we look at this bracket with only 9 teams in it, where we have two stationaries play against each other. This is absolutely something that you're not supposed to do according to ACBL rules, but you may want to, you shouldn't, but there may be some practical considerations where you keep hitting shuffle so that the 3 stationary teams are not playing against each other. And you may choose to press this a random number of times to make sure that it is a random assignment. And now we've made sure that in bracket 1, we don't have stationaries playing against each other. As I say, it's not part of the ACBL rules. This software covers tournaments, including ACBL and other organizations. So the other organizations may well have rules that 2 stationaries do not play each other. So we do have the ability of being able to shuffle. As I say, it is not something that is supposed to be done in ACBL land. So in this situation, I've made sure that I don't have 2 stationaries playing against each other in the round robins. So what we've done there is we've explained the stationaries, how they're displayed on the bracketing screen, and how they are displayed in the matching screen, and a way of being able to make sure that the stationary tables don't play against each other.